Hello currency enthusiasts and welcome to my channel. Today's special feature is on the Eurion Constellation, a secret security detail hiding in plain sight on money from around the world. We'll kick things off with the $50 US dollar bill. The Eurion Constellation, sometimes referred to as Omron rings, is a pattern of symbols that helps prevent the unauthorized copying of banknotes. Look closely here at the $50 bill. These 5 tiny circles are not a random design element. They're part of a sophisticated anti-counterfeit system. When recognized by modern scanners and copiers, they signal the machine to halt any copying or printing process. Let's move through our global tour of banknotes featuring the Eurion Constellation. Starting with the $5 US bill, the constellation is cleverly integrated, not just near the portrait, but also on the reverse side, close to the iconic Lincoln Memorial Building. Worth noting that the $10 bill, with its own unique security traits, is still missing from my collection. I'm on the hunt for it and hope to share its details with you soon. Next, we have the $20 US bill, where the constellation is subtly incorporated, enhancing its security without distracting from its design. The $50 US bill also features this hidden pattern, a testament to the intricate measures taken to protect our currency. And not to be overlooked, the $100 US bill, which includes the Eurion Constellation among its array of anti-counterfeiting technologies, showcasing the cutting-edge efforts to secure our money. Moving beyond the US, we venture to Hungary with the 5,000 forint note from 2016. This piece of currency is not only beautiful, but also incorporates the Eurion Constellation, a nod to the global adoption of this anti-counterfeit measure. The design intricately weaves Hungarian history and culture with modern security features, making it a fascinating subject for any collector. Next in our exploration is the euro, a currency that unites many nations yet stands strong in its security features. Let's start with the 100 euro note from 2002. Even in its early designs, the euro was ahead of its time, incorporating the Eurion Constellation to deter counterfeiters effectively. The intricate patterns and historical architectural motifs blend with this security feature, showcasing Europe's rich culture and advanced protective measures. Following the 100 euro, we have the 50 euro note from 2017. This newer issue enhances security even further, with the Eurion Constellation subtly placed among the updated design elements. The Australian $50 polymer note, renowned for its cutting-edge security features. Among these is the Eurion Constellation, subtly integrated into its design that also celebrates Australia's rich indigenous heritage. Moving on, we explore the Danish 100 kroner. Denmark combines tradition with modern security in its currency design. The 100 kroner, featuring the Eurion Constellation, showcases Denmark's approach to safeguarding its money. China's 50 Yuan not only elegantly places the Eurion Constellation near the lotus on one side, symbolizing purity and beauty, but it also features this security pattern on the reverse side. Poland's 100 Zloty not only discreetly incorporates the Eurion Constellation close to its historic sites, emphasizing the blend of tradition and security, but also features these protective rings on both sides of the note. Moving on to the 20 Canadian dollar note, where the pattern is seamlessly woven into its vibrant depiction of nature. The UK's 20-pound note merges the pattern with the Queen's portrait, a nod to both heritage and high-tech defense against forgery. Thailand's 1,000 Baht positions it among intricate traditional designs, showcasing the country's rich cultural heritage while safeguarding its value. India's 500 rupee note features the constellation near the revered portrait of Mahatma Gandhi, combining respect with protection. Switzerland's 100 francs embed the pattern within sophisticated graphics, reflecting the country's reputation for precision and security. On Chile's 1,000 peso, the constellation is hidden near the national emblem, blending national pride with innovative security measures. The Mexican 20 pesos note embeds it alongside symbols of ancient culture, bridging the past with present-day security technologies. Romania's Yuan Leu note brings the Eurion Constellation into its design with subtlety and elegance. Positioned to complement the note's themes of culture and natural beauty, this feature underscores Romania's commitment to currency security while celebrating its national identity. Moving to Turkey, the 200 Lira note integrates the Eurion Constellation as part of its robust security features. Korea's 1001 note highlights the constellation amidst depictions of historical figures, marrying the legacy with modern safeguarding techniques. Lastly, Bulgaria's 2 Lev note showcases the Eurion Constellation amidst its portrayal of historical figures and landmarks. This addition not only enhances the note's security, but also pays homage to Bulgaria's deep-rooted history and contributions to civilization the U. UAE's 50 dirham seamlessly integrates it into the fabric of architectural wonders depicted on the note. And intriguingly, Germany's €0 collector's notes also feature the Eurion Constellation, demonstrating its universal role in currency security even in non-circulating notes. And that wraps up our journey through the fascinating world of currency. Security features highlighted by the Eurion Constellation. From the serene landscapes on the Romanian Leu to the rich cultural tapestry of the Turkish Lira and the historical significance of the Bulgarian Lev, we've seen how countries around the globe integrate this sophisticated anti-counterfeiting measure into their banknotes. Now I turn to you, my fellow currency enthusiasts. Comment below and update me on what currencies you have that feature the Eurion Constellation. Have you discovered it in a banknote we didn't cover today? Share your findings and let's continue to explore the intriguing world of numismatics together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into currency secrets and the stories they tell. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep your curiosity piqued and your collection growing.